So I think every institution of symbiosis, like the way this was started with the story of the movie Anandi Gopal, every symbiosis institution has been started with one idea that comes to the mind of Dr. Muzumdar. In fact, you have seen the story of symbiosis also and how it was started because of this one foreign student who fell ill and suffered from jaundice, and Sir felt that something needs to be done for foreign students, and this whole organization called Symbiosis was born. So you must consider yourself very lucky that there are very few institutions in the country who have this kind of story to tell. And you will be narrating this story not just to your family members, your parents, but even as you grow up and get married and have children and grandchildren, you will keep narrating this beautiful story of this wonderful movie called Anandi Gopal, by which one person was inspired and you were a part of that inspirational story. You are also very lucky because this is our golden jubilee, to be a part of the 50th year of celebration of any organization is also, considered very divine. And imagine that you're coming from faraway places, not some of you, very few of you from Pune city. In fact, most of you are from outside of Pune, outside of Maharashtra. And imagine that you decided to join this institution, and this institution is celebrating its 50th year. So everything has happened at such a wonderful time for you and for us, that I'm sure that when you pass out after 4.5 years, and some of you may even continue here as postgraduate students, you will always look back and say that you took just the right decision to join this Symbiosis Medical College for Women. So welcome you all to this beautiful family called Symbiosis. It's a very, very large family of almost 45,000 students from all states of India and 85 different countries. We have a staff of more than 6,000 people who work, and many more who come as adjunct faculty. And I'm sure you are going to have a lot of interdisciplinary courses, as just mentioned by the Vice Chancellor. And you'll have a great time when you're here, because we all say that we not only teach, but we hope that students learn more outside of classrooms, and that's very important. You will have several such courses that no other medical college would teach. And let me inform the cast that when they were shown the movie Anandi Gopal, there was a professor who teaches film studies with us, and he did a critical analysis and film appreciation. I'm sure you enjoyed that course, which was taken by Professor Anupam Siddharth. So, we keep doing these things that you will not see in other medical colleges. So you are really lucky. And I must also thank you for choosing this medical college, because I know that all of you are very high scorers in NEET, and we just went, the Dean Sir just showed us some records, and you all have done brilliantly well even in your past academic careers of your 10th and 12th examinations, which means you're the brightest talent of our country. And I hope that we can nurture this talent like you nurture diamonds, and by the end of 4.5 years, you will grow on to become very humane, value-based, ethical, women doctors who will serve the society and fulfill my father's dream. And I'm sure you'll understand as daughters what it is to fulfill your father's dream. And so through you, I will be fulfilling my father's dream. So good luck to you and all the very best. Thank you.